Are you tired of investing in woodworking hand tools that end up gathering dust in your workshop? Have you struggled to find the right tools for your projects or felt overwhelmed by the options available? If so, don't worry. Today, we are here to make your woodworking journey easier by introducing you to the 7 best hand tools for woodworking that can alleviate those frustrations. And when you are ready to explore even more tools and drilling tips, make sure to check out our website drillingnerd.com. It's your one-stop shop for all your drilling needs. Tool number 1. Chisels. Our first essential hand tool for woodworking is the chisel. Chisels are versatile and perfect for precision work like carving and shaping. When buying chisels, look for a high-quality steel, comfortable handles, and a variety of sizes to suit your needs. Keep them sharp for best results. Tool number 2. Hand planes. Next up, we have hand planes. These are great for smoothing and flattening wooden surfaces. When purchasing a hand plane, consider its size, weight, and blade quality. Make sure it's easy to adjust and comfortable to hold. Tool number 3. Hand saws. Now, let's talk about hand saws. Hand saws are perfect for making straight and curved cuts. When choosing a hand saw, consider the types of cuts you'll be making, the number of teeth per inch, and the handle's comfort. They are easy to use and a must-have in any woodworking toolbox. Tool number 4. Screwdrivers. Moving on, we have screwdrivers. While they may not seem like traditional woodworking tools, they are handy for assembling projects. When buying screwdrivers, look for a good grip, different sizes and types. Magnetic tips can be a helpful feature for woodworking tasks. Tool number 5. Block planes. Block planes are fantastic for chamfering edges, smoothing and grain, and more. When purchasing a block plane, check the blade's sharpness, the plane's adjustability, and ergonomics of the handle. A small lightweight option is ideal. Tool number 6. Mallets and hammers. Now, let's talk about mallets and hammers. These are indispensable for driving chisels, setting joints, and assembling your woodworking projects. When choosing a mallet or hammer, consider the weight, handle material, and impact surface. Ensure it's comfortable to use for extended periods. Tool number 7. Marking and measuring tools. Last but not least, marking and measuring tools. Accurate measurement are crucial in woodworking. When buying these tools, look for durability, precision, and ease of use. A combination square, marking gauge, and tape measure will help ensure your projects come together perfectly. So there you have it, the 7 best hand tools for woodworking, along with some buying tips to consider. With these tools in your workshop and the right choices in mind, you'll be well equipped to tackle a wide range of woodworking projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to master each tool. Thanks for watching.